How to add 1095A on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about adding 1095A on TurboTax. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to TurboTax and then log into your account. And after that, click on the search icon and a side tab will appear. Type in 1095A and select the option to jump to 1095A. When prompted, confirm that you received Form 1095A by clicking Yes and then click on Continue. Next, you need to fill in the recipient information and household details. And once you've done that, you can add your 1095A by providing the required information to proceed. And that's it. It's that easy to add 1095A on your TurboTax. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.